channel, everybody. Welcome back to the vlog. I want to thank you for hitting that play button today. If you're stopping in for the very first time, my name is Chuck, and yeah, this is for my sunflower seeds. You might be saying, Chuck, what's going on? It looks like the sun's setting over there. Well, I figured I would take you guys with me. I'm covering a bid run for the next 3 days from a gentleman that goes from our terminal, and he meets another driver up in Rolla, Missouri. It's a round trip. Looks like it's 293 miles there, 293 miles back, so a good little clip. And I figured I'd just take you guys with me, kind of show you what it's like to, you know, be at a terminal and get your set. And I do know that our gas pumps here at the yard are down, so I'm gonna have to get some gas on the way. You can go pick us at a dolly. You can see that driver right over there has got a dolly hooked to the back of his tractor. So we're gonna go find one, check it out, make sure everything is good. So I'll see you guys here in just a second. All right, creeping through the yard. There's some different dollies just kind of scattered everywhere. I like these gray ones over here. I'm gonna get one of them. They just set up a little bit higher versus these ones that are kind of stock red. And most of these are going to be from like this is probably a pass-through set here. They're still, that one's still connected. All right, grab my hammer. All right, we're gonna check air tires. And this has got a double valve, so that's nice. Now, this is going to be a trailer that, this is gonna be a dolly that I, of course, won't keep. That releases the air. Okay, and these things aren't light, so I'm going to attach one of the chains. What I always look at is the air lines. Make sure everything's connected. We got some glad hand seals on there. We're looking good. We're looking good. All right. That releases it. So that's cut there. Okay, we got mud flaps. Fifth wheel looks good. Just kind of do a little overall pre-trip of the actual dolly. And find out from dispatch which one of these trailers are going to be mine tonight, because they're still loading. They got P&D guys that are just now, you know, some of them are just now getting back. So I'm gonna kind of stage up right here until I know. I'm gonna go in there and find out which of these trailers are gonna be mine, which two. Though I won't know the weights on them yet. I won't know which one's gonna be my lead or anything like that. I'll go around, kick the tires, make sure everything's good there. It's got glad hands, all that kind of good stuff. Just the biggest thing is with this, just pre-trip what you got, because it's better to find out if you got a problem here on the yard versus you know, you're out there on the highway somewhere. Now you're waiting on breakdown, and you're out there for 3 or 4 hours. So once we start getting hooked up, I've got we're gonna get a little bit of footage of hooking all that up. I brought another camera so you guys can kind of see a different perspective other than just mine. So we'll be back here in a little bit. Gonna do another quick walk around, make sure everything's okay. We got marker light over there. Yeah, marker light, marker light. Make sure we don't have any no air leaking out of here. That's what we like, because there is air pushed to that. And you may say, Chuck, how do you know there's air pushed to it? I'll show you. See this right here? This is pushed over to that pintle hook there. That means there's air to this trailer. So we got no air coming out of that either. We got our lights going. We got our marker lights on. We're all good to go, guys. Marker light good. All right, I'm gonna go in here and get the bills. We're gonna jump out of here. All right, we are headed out. It is 8:09. Huge shout out to my brother with the long. I call him the Long Forks. Shout out to my guy for getting me out of here.
Construction was reported on I-244.
Oh. Well, there's construction everywhere. I know, there's construction everywhere, lady.
1/2 mile on the right to Oklahoma 11 East.
All right, well, we've arrived at the meet spot. And I was gonna film. I got to talking with other drivers. I forgot to. So forgive me. It was about, what time is it now? It is 12:38. Made great time. Left the yard at what, 8:10. You know, smooth sailing over here. I don't know. I sent a text message just letting the meat guy know that I am here. So I'm gonna drop these real quick. Drop this set. Turn this light on. Hope this helps you guys see. Make sure I've got everything. Yeah. I'm gonna put the landing gear down on this first trailer. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna take my bills for this trailer. So I'm gonna take these bills, because these bills are gonna go with the driver that I'm meeting here. Oh, and I think I forgot. The driver that I'm meeting here, he comes from Springfield to St. Louis. He goes to St. Louis and he picks up the trailers that are going to be going to Tulsa, and he meets me here. These are trailers that are going to St. Louis, and then I take my trailers back to the yard, and then he goes back to St. Louis with these trailers, picks up another set of trailers that he takes back to his terminal, which is in Springfield, Missouri. So that's kind of how this meet here. The guy who has this particular run, he's got the best end of the deal. So I'm gonna run over here and get some fuel real quick, and then we'll just wait on him to get here. All right, right there goes my meat guy, hooked up to this new set. Hooked up, good and hooked up. Hook our lines up. Everything's good to go. All right, we got a 5-hour trip back. Well, we made it back to the terminal at 7:01 a.m. Got back here about 6:50, broke my set, put the set in the doors, and we're done for the day. Guys, I thank you for coming along. I know it wasn't that impressive of a video, but it kind of gives you a little bit of what we do. But until I see you at the next video, I hope each and every one of you have a blessed rest of your day. And remember this, life is truly short. Make sure you make it sweet. Peace.